Hi, I'm Dr. Russ, and welcome to the Mixology Clinic, where I'm going to show you how to make some great tasting cocktails. Today I'm preparing a cocktail that's very unique. It's called Tokyo Drift. Tokyo Drift is a gin-based cocktail that features yuzu flavors. Yuzu is a tart citrus fruit that's a common ingredient in Japanese cuisine. The cocktail today, Tokyo Drift, uses both yuzu liqueur and yuzu bitters, and that combination creates a very well-balanced cocktail. I'll be preparing the drink in a rocks glass today, but you can enjoy this drink up in a martini glass also. So let's get started on Tokyo Drift. This is Tokyo Drift. It's a great tasting cocktail. I know you're going to enjoy it. Come by.